What's up, ladies and gents? Today's seat day, so we're finally getting to that. The last video I made a very sad attempt at some polishing. I knew better. I should have just waited and got a ball and been done with it, but I wanted to try it out, so what could it hurt, you know? So yeah, today's seat day. Let's get to it. They're crusty. Alright, got the passenger seat rail off. It needed to be cleaned quite a bit, but I was just thinking, like, man, whenever I got these like 7 or 8 years ago, I had to wait months to get them. I had to wait even longer for the seat rails because there was some issue with shipping and whatnot, but luckily I didn't drive the car in the wintertime, so didn't have to have it. But yeah, I don't know, just sitting here thinking about it, it was cool. Oh yeah, and I'm super excited to put these seats back in because I bought new hardware to put the seats in because, you know, why wouldn't you? They were old and crusty, and whenever you're making it new and fresh, you gotta go all the way down to the bolts, you know? So just finished cleaning the front seats, and I didn't think it'd be that bad. They were crusty, yeah, but not like that. I was gonna show you guys some of the, like, me spraying the seat out and the water and all that stuff, but I'm not even sure if that's suitable for YouTube. But they're clean now, and that's the main point. And I know they're clean because the water coming out of them is clear now and not brown. Yes, brown. Man, these Bride seats still just look so good. I remember ordering this black material many years ago and spending way too much money on it, but my grandma had a heavy-duty sewing machine, and my mom and her basically took it all apart and reupholstered them, and man, it's holding strong. Alrighty, I think that's gonna do it today. I got a lot done. Got all 4 seats sections cleaned. I got the front seats cleaned, headliners out, vinyl materials here. Got some other interior stuff done. We're moving right along. I'm gonna do a separate video on the vinyl wrapping on the dash. I think that could be its whole thing, 'cause I'm doing quite a few pieces, so probably just add that in somewhere or do its own video. Haven't decided yet, but not gonna be in this one. So until next time, check back in. Thanks for watching. Do all the subscribing and stuff if you want, you know. It's up to you. Peace.